In 2007, legislation made it possible for investors to borrow within their self-managed super funds, or SMSFs. Since then, according to the latest statistics released by APRA and the ATO, the SMSF sector has grown to a size of approximately 600,000 SMSFs, with around $653 billion of assets. Some of the benefits of having an SMSF are: the rental is not considered as a contribution. SMSF loans are non-recourse loans, some tax benefits if applicable. However, SMSF lending is complex and borrowers will need to ensure they have a qualified accountant, financial planner, and a lending professional who understands SMSF loans and their requirements. To borrow in an SMSF, the requirements include: borrowed money must be used to acquire an asset that complies with legislative requirements. The asset has to be held in a trust that has a trustee known as the custodian, which must be separate from the actual SMSF. The SMSF trustee purchases the property, but the property must be held on trust for the SMSF by another third-party entity, for example, the property trustee. The SMSF pays the deposit, legal costs and stamp duty, and borrows the balance from an SMSF lender. The most common issue that lenders see include: the bare trust and/or trustee have not been created, contracts are exchanged in wrong name, required funds are still in an industry fund, no financial advice is in place, the trust deeds are not set up correctly for SMSF lending. These issues can take weeks to resolve, which means buyers could potentially miss out on buying a particular property because they have not been adequately prepared to make an SMSF purchase. It is also important for buyers to note: loan to valuation ratios are lower on SMSFs, usually only up to a maximum of 70%. Higher interest rates apply for SMSF lending. Currently, buyers need to have a minimum of $200,000 in superannuation to be eligible. Lenders are currently limited interest-only loans, and there are stricter servicing rules. SMSF lending can be a fantastic way of preparing for your financial future. Consult your lending professional for more information about SMSF loans.